Hey guys, so it's less than 24 hours to the Access Bank Lagos City Marathon, which I registered for and I'm running for tomorrow. And I want to take guys along with me, take my guys along with me and see how it is, the experience, whatsoever, whatever happens on tomorrow. I'll try and show you guys everything. And I really cannot wait what tomorrow is going has to offer. And yeah, happy Valentine's in advance. And let's enjoy this video together. Boom. Hi guys, so it's currently race day and time is about 6:28 a.m. 10 kilometers starts by 9:30, but because of the road closure and the road blockage, we have to leave here on time so we can surpass the traffic and get to the race starting point on time. So yeah, I had to call my buddy Blessed. He's an amazing friend. He came to pick me up by 6 a.m. And right behind me is Temi Tokpe, my running partner today, my paddy. She's actually my pacer because man does not know how to run. So yeah, it's an exciting day. Can't wait. I'm feeling anxious. Feels like those days when I was in secondary school or primary school, I'm about to start a dance sports race and then your legs are cold, your hands are cold. That's how it is. I'll show you guys my outfit, my fit check later when I get to the starting point. Yeah, see you guys at the starting point. Alright guys, so before we've gotten to we are not building content creator, but we've gotten to the marathon space and Tope, say hi. And we are going to go and run the race. People are currently just stretching, walking, and it's over. We're currently walking over there to the space. My god. Alright guys, so Tokpe is currently fixing my beep. I think you should fix the four sides.
Four sides?
Yeah.
Actually, yes.
Because
Hi guys.
say hi to Tokpe.
Konnichiwa mina.
Tokpe is the stunt guy. So we're currently still waiting. Time is currently 7:37 and Tokpe wants to go and pee. So I'm looking for a place for this guy to pee. Hopefully we find one, Sha. If not, she's going to be running 1 hour with a swollen bladder. You've seen it down.
So guys, I want to go pee because I don't know. I didn't
Last
drink
time
water
you
this
feel
morning.
like the bush.
Oh, I haven't drink water yet this morning, but like I'm peeing. Oh, this camera is good.
Oh man.
My guy, I did.
Oh shit. I was 6:42. Why you here?
Why do you 10 kilometers?
No. You have to say. I just want to. I'm actually doing 62. I don't do 52.
You don't sharply run.
Yeah.
That's the idea.
Where are you at?
Hi guys, say hi to Kelechi.
This is me before the 10 kilometers.
Before the 10k. This is Buki before the 10k.
Ah, this is me before the 10k. Oh.
How far?
This is
Time
me
you are coming.
before the 10k.
This is Yadi before the race.
Fuck 10k. Let's get it. My name is Bryce. This is me before 10k race.
Now get money for this Lagos. See your shoe.
I got to bike. Look at my shoe.
Star boy.
Hello.
Star boy Yadi.
How are you? Why you calling me Star Boy? Are you okay?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, sorry. Hey guys, so we're exactly 1 hour for the race, and everywhere is still cold, everywhere is chilled.
Maybe.
It's still a bit tense.
The
So
product designer.
yeah. Hi guys, so it's currently 10 minutes to the race and pressure is getting more, the anxiety, everything is all coming up together, and I'm not going to lie, it's an amazing thing to see that I'm part of this. I'm part of the 1% of people that can do this. I mean, there's a lot of people here, people with great bodies, people, athletic people, amazing people. I'm going to be honest with you, I do feel pressured. There's this, I know it's not meant to be like a competition for me, but all honestly, I feel a bit pressured. But yeah, I'll see you guys. See you at the finish line. This is Amara. Are you ready?
Of course not.
Okay.
Well, good luck to you guys. Of course not. I'll check.
Hi, please.
10 kilometer buddies. 10 kilometer buddies.
Say hi to the camera.
Like
Hi guys, this was Saya before 10k. Before 10k.
Let's go, turn that shit off, man. Chanel PSAK, yeah. Rally, 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 rally. Whoa. Rally, 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 rally. Yay. Rally, 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 rally. Whoa. Rally, 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 rally. Whoa.
Apparently, about 34 kilometers. Apparently, water downfall. Almost halfway done.
新的手套抓走，不要 ready， 带你下那 girl， 我有生活从来没有计划，想不上这就去对绝对的，看你会真的在 turn， 跟我碰一碰就射了，是不可能对待，如果你不见你也有 fail。
About 5-6 kilometers in. I'm exhausted. Don't stop.
Drink tonight， 世界谁会唱我来给那几位？你们在我吃还没有整理，想要下雨反正不给你机会。Running, running, 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 whoa. Running, 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 yeah. Running, 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 hey.
currently at the last line. Marathon. Straight road. Let's get it. Hey guys. I can see the finish line. Very close. Almost there. And guys, yes, why not? It's a lie. I thought we were done. I'm about to cross it. And crossed the finish line. So apparently we're done with the race.
Yeah.
And we are I tried to get medals.
Sorry.
Medal collection.
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, so this is the end of the marathon, and I want to give you guys an overview. To be honest, it was a good race. I mean, I beat my personal record by a lot, but Nigeria happened again. There was no enough medals. The lot getting medals was hell. And I'll tell Access Bank that was a shitty thing they did. It was really terrible. Imagine having to run 10 kilometers at a good time and not being able to get medals. Other people have medals. People that didn't even run for the race have medals. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you like what you see, subscribe, like and share. I'll go and borrow medal and take pictures with, and I'll show you guys. So peace and love.